Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I make bomb natural hair videos, and today I'd like to tackle one of the questions that I get all the time. How often should I moisturize my hair? Well, the answer is it depends. I can't really answer it because I don't know the state of your hair, your porosity level, your wash day routine, what your hair likes or doesn't like. But what I can do is show you how often I moisturize my hair when I'm on my best behavior, aka right now. So I'm going to walk you through what I do to my hair over the course of a week, quarantine style. We aren't actually starting from clean hair. We're actually starting from a week-old hair that's been moisturized in the shower. This is my attempt at trying to infuse some moisture into my hair without actually going through the whole wash day routine. I know you have those days. If you are starting from wash day, I will link a few videos in the cards as well as in the description box for your viewing pleasure. I will also link a video on how I achieve this style, so if you're interested in those, then check the description box. So my hair is freshly styled, she's still moisturized, and you know what? I'm just going to stuff her into a bonnet. I know, she can't handle it. She's been moisturized thoroughly from me doing this style, so I'm not worried at all. Matter of fact, I'm going to leave her in the bonnet for a few days. I know what you're thinking. You're lucky judging me. But let me tell you something. Sometimes I think that we do a little too much with our hair. So why did I leave my hair in the bonnet for 2 days? One, I feel like it's going to give my hair a little break, especially since I styled it. Two, it takes about 2 days before my hair starts to dry out, so I know it's like a sweet spot for me before I need to think about remoisturizing. And three, because I'm a lazy natural, I don't actually like to be in my hair every single day, even though we have the time right now. So, I'm all made up because today's Haitian flag day and I wanted to take pictures for the gram. Check out my Instagram if you want to see them. So this is day 3 hair, and as you guys saw, I didn't do anything to my hair. I just stuffed it in a bonnet. It is a good day where I would want to moisturize. My hair does feel a little bit drier than usual, and I think it's because I only used a styler to set my hair. I didn't really use any leave-in conditioner or anything like that. When I am going to moisturize my hair, which I'm not going to do it right now, I'm going to do it tonight. When I moisturize my hair, I'm gonna come back and show you guys. I like giving you guys up close shots of my hair. A lot of people feel that their hair is dry, although it's not really dry. If you moisturize your hair today and it's dry to the touch by tomorrow, it doesn't really mean that your hair is dry. You sort of have to analyze your hair before saying that it's dry. Like right now, I can tell that my hair is a little bit drier than usual, but it's not entirely dry. It's feeling drier than usual. It's because I didn't start out with my hair fully moisturized. So if I start out with my hair halfway moisturized, then it's gonna get drier faster, if that makes sense. I don't know. Like you can still see the sheen that I'm getting from the product. My hair is not shiny. You guys know how 4C hair is. It's not shiny per se, but I'm getting some sheen from the products that's still in there, the oils. I'm really digging this hairstyle, by the way. I really like it. I like what's going on with it. I like crisscrossing the top. It just really, you know what I mean, adds a little visage, illusion, and c'est quoi. I like this bun on top too. I'm just feeling myself today, okay? So I'm going to go in the shower and press a reset button. I'm not going to wash just yet, but I am going to re-moisturize in the shower. I actually like to moisturize my hair in the shower, and there's a couple of reasons for that. Water is the ultimate moisturizer. So for me to say I've moisturized my hair, I need to use water. Of course, I can use a water bottle, but I like to kill 2 birds with 1 stone and just do it in the shower. 2, I like to steam my hair in the shower because I really feel like the steam from the shower really helped my hair absorb the water better. So if you watch my last video, my hair is technically high porosity, so I shouldn't need to use heat to moisturize it. But I'm a rebel and I don't like to follow the rules, and I don't follow the porosity thing 100%. I like to do what my hair loves, and she loves to be moisturized in the shower. Okay? Alright, so after I come out of the shower, my hair typically feels very nice and moisturized. I know my job is not done. I need to seal in that moisture. So I'm going in with a leave-in conditioner and a butter. This is the ultimate way for me to moisturize my hair and for my hair to stay moisturized. I could use a spray bottle, I could use an oil, I could use my little spray bottle mix. For my hair to stay moisturized, I need to use a leave-in conditioner and a butter. The butter really helps seal my cuticles and keep my hair moisturized longer. A few notes: when I come out of the shower, my hair is not dripping wet. I'm taking this opportunity to reset my hair, so put it back into the flat twist so that when I take it out, my style is defined. And I'm also not detangling my hair. I also think that's a lot of stress to put on your strands when it's not needed. Personally, I don't detangle until I need to detangle, okay? And that's only on wash days. All right, so we're on day 5, and of course I'm starting by moisturizing my hair in the shower. I don't need to show you again, you know exactly what I do by now. And really, I'm just gonna go in with my little spray bottle mix. So what is in this spray bottle mix? I've already shared it, but I know y'all don't watch all my videos, so I'm gonna share with you again. So it's water, leave-in conditioner, and an oil. I basically mix everything together so that it's easy for me to just go in and moisturize my hair on these days when I just want to quickly do it. I like to find ways that's extremely easy for me to moisturize my hair, because the more complicated it is, the less I'm gonna do it. So with something like this, I can moisturize my hair or spritz it honestly every day. But I don't do it every day. But you know what I mean. All right, so right now we're on day 7. We're getting closer to wash day. Again, I moisturize my hair in the shower. Honestly, I'm just gonna go in with an oil at this point, just because I am going to actually wash my hair and re-moisturize and deep condition and go through my full wash day routine. So I don't really need to go and moisturize as heavily. So I'm just gonna go in with an oil. And quick tip, I actually keep a bottle of oil in my shower for those days where I'm feeling a little lazy, and at least I will moisturize in the shower and quickly use the oil while I'm still in the shower and seal that moisture in. It is a lighter way for me to moisturize my hair with just an oil. It doesn't keep it moisturized for long, but if I am closer to my wash day, then I can get away with it. All right, so now we're on our last day. This is day 8. Technically, today should have been wash day, but I am filming, so I wanted to take my hair out and, you know, look a little cute. As you can see, my hair is still quite defined because it's been in the flat twist for a few days, and it's moisturized because I've been moisturizing it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and style it and call it a day. Really, my hair still looks pretty good, although at that point, it's time to wash, it's time to deep condition, it's time to re-moisturize and seal. But wait, Jen, you use 3 different methods to moisturize your hair. What is going on? Well, girl, I'm so glad you asked. So I moisturize my hair based on how it feels. A leave-in conditioner with a butter is definitely more moisturizing for me than the leave-in conditioner mix that I do versus an oil. So as time goes by, I go lighter in moisturizing because I'm getting closer to wash day, which means I don't need to go as heavy on the moisturizing routine, as I'll be pressing the reset button very shortly and thoroughly re-moisturize my hair again on my next wash day. So this video is technically showing you a few ways that you can moisturize your hair. You gotta find what works for you. You can't just copy what everybody else does. But these are really good methods to moisturize dry, natural hair. Now, this video is showing me on my best behavior, especially right now that we're in quarantine at home. You might as well take care of your hair. You might as well moisturize. Some weeks I don't moisturize at all, I have to be honest. But on average, I like to do this at least every 3 days. So every 3 days, my hair will get moisturized. And if I am going to skip wash day, let's be honest, it happens to the best of us, then I'm going to keep moisturizing until I get to wash day. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.